stand towards me. Okay, we have a bird nesting, and I'm gonna try to hit the pole, and it's gonna fly and attack Taylor. Got it?
That's me.
Okay, let's go.
So wait. You missed. Go get the ball and try again. I'm gonna tell them what the bird's about. Kristin's afraid of this bird. Right there, if you can see it. Right there. Alright, now. No, don't get over here and do it. Because then don't hit the bird in general, hit the pole.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to run, Taylor. 1, 2.
Oh. It didn't do anything. Here, you take the camera.
Is it still going?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, you don't.
You just shit.
Shit. Blink. Oh my god. Oh my god, the dad's coming. Oh my god. The dad just came. Holy shit. Okay, go hit the dad. Oh my god. We're gonna get a close up on the dad. Or maybe it's gone. Or maybe they're lesbian lovers.
There it is. It's on the top of the balcony. You can see it. No, you can't.
Oh my god. Just get a little bit closer. I think that's the mom. Maybe they're brother. Maybe
Do you see that little speck?
Maybe they're lesbian lovers, you know.
Let's get them. Okay, let's go.
Alright, ready? Ready?
You have to hit it right there.
No, you're not hitting it hard enough. I don't want to hit it. I don't want to hit them because they're like...
I dare you, John.
I'm screwed.
Dude, Mark. Let's go back up to the balcony. Oh, she's pissed.
She be pissed?
She's pissed.
She's pissed. She's very, 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 very pissed. Go try and hit her.
Here we go.
Wait, I need my phone!
Get out here. Just go. Safe. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh my god.
Just throw it, you loser. Do not hit the bird.
Oh.
Hit below it. She almost fell. Okay, let's not bother the pretty bird anymore.